Welcome to our Payan English channel. I am Teacher Ivy and with me is
Teacher Annie.
and today we're going to learn about on the farm. Are you ready? Let's start.
Con lừa.
Donkey. Donkey. The donkey is eating grass.
Con ngựa.
Horse. Horse. The horse runs fast.
Con dê.
Goat. Goat. The goat is standing on the farm.
Con vịt.
Duck. Duck. The duck is swimming in the pond.
Con cừu.
Sheep. Sheep. The sheep has white wool.
Con bò.
Cow. Cow. The cow gives milk.
Con gà.
Chicken. Chicken. The chicken is eating corn.
Con sâu bướm.
Caterpillar. Caterpillar. The caterpillar eats leaf.
Con bướm.
Butterfly. Butterfly. The butterfly is very colorful.
Con ong.
Bee. Bee. The bee is making honey.
Con muỗi.
Mosquito. Mosquito. The mosquito is flying near the water.
Con bọ rùa.
Ladybug. Ladybug. The ladybug is on the flower.
Con kiến.
Ant. Ant. The ant is carrying food. That is our lesson for today. Follow for more lesson. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Goodbye.